You go to your favorite pizza shop and have 400 rupees with you. You want to make the maximum utilization with the 400 rupees. You want to buy the maximum quantity of pizza with the 400 rupees you have. You look at the menu card. You have three options. There is an 8-inch pizza that costs rupees 100. There is a 12-inch pizza that costs rupees 150. And there is a 16-inch pizza that costs rupees 200. You are a smart guy. You do the math in your head. You calculate the cost per inch. You divide the cost by the total inches of the pizza. So the cost per inch in the case of an 8-inch pizza is rupees 12.5 or 12 rupees 50 paise, which is the same in the case of a 12-inch pizza and the 16-inch pizza. So you decide to buy 4 8-inch pizzas because you think all of them have the same cost per inch. But this is not the way you calculate how cost efficient is the pizza you're buying. You know that the area of a circle is pi r square. Look at the r square. The radius is squared. Hence, an 8-inch pizza and 12-inch pizza and 16-inch pizza can't be compared by the inches, but they need to be compared by the area. So the radius of the 8, 12 and 16-inch pizza is 4, 6 and 8 inches respectively. Now you calculate the area of the 8, 12 and 16-inch pizza. The area of the 8-inch pizza is 50.26 square inches. The area of the 12-inch pizza is 113 square inches and the area of the 16-inch pizza is 201 square inches. You see, there is such a big difference. Now you calculate the cost per square inch. You divide the cost by the square inches or the area. So now the cost per square inch in case of the 8-inch pizza is rupees 1.98 and the cost per square inch in case of the 12-inch pizza is rupees 1.32 and the cost per square inch in case of the 16-inch pizza is rupees 0.99, which is just 99 paise. A huge amount of difference in the money you are paying, that is the cost per square inch in case of the 16-inch pizza and the 8-inch pizza. The 16-inch pizza is 2 times of more value than the 8-inch pizza and the 12-inch pizza is somewhere in between. So the next time you go to the pizza shop and think about which pizza to buy, always select the larger one. The largest one has the greatest value for money.
That's it guys. If you like the video, do subscribe Nixapian. This is Vishy signing off.